Cosplay is a very fun hobby, but can also be a potentially dangerous one. A lot of beginners don't realize there are a lot of physical dangers to cosplay. If one is not careful, they could very easily end up in the hospital. However, with a simple awareness of these dangers, a lot of accidents can be prevented. These physical dangers are split up into 3 smaller sections: medical dangers, convention dangers, and long-term dangers. Medical dangers are the most important. If these dangers aren't acted upon quickly, it could very well put a cosplayer's life in danger. One of the biggest dangers that comes with cosplaying is the improper use of tools. One of the fun things about cosplay is getting to make your costume, but it's not so fun if you get hurt. Common tools used by cosplayers include hot glue guns, sewing machines, needles, straight pins, irons, and various types of paint. If a cosplayer is making props, it is possible that they may need to use power tools. Make sure to have proper knowledge of using these tools. When using paints and certain types of glue, make sure you are painting in a well-ventilated area. If you aren't old enough to be using some of these tools, make sure to have a parent, guardian, or older sibling help you. There is nothing wrong with getting help to make your cosplay. Another medical danger is using the wrong type of paint as a body or face paint. The only types of paint that should be used on your face or body should be face paint or body paint. Even though other types of paint may say non-toxic, it can still be very harmful to skin, especially on your face. However, be careful when using face and body paint as well as prosthetics. When using body paint, face paint, or prosthetic glue for the first time, be sure to do a skin test to make sure you're not allergic. There are a ton of paint and prosthetic glue brands out there, so if one doesn't work, don't get discouraged. A lot of cosplayers like to use cosmetic lenses to change their eye color. It often feels like the right eye color can turn a good cosplay into a great one. Beginner cosplayers need to be careful when using lenses for the first time and should never try to wear cosmetic lenses without visiting an eye doctor first. New cosplayers should also learn the correct way to wear and care for cosmetic lenses. Last but not least is using an appropriate chest binder. This is mostly for female cosplayers who want to cosplay as a flat-chested character. A lot of cosplayers who don't want to buy a chest binder often use duct tape or ace bandages to bind. Although this is cheaper, if a cosplayer is not careful, they can cause damage to their chest and even their lungs. So, it is best to invest in a proper chest binder. This is only a small part of the dangers of cosplay, but equipping new cosplayers with these safety tips is the first step of creating a safer world for cosplay.